How to fix lag on your PlayStation 4. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix if your PlayStation is actually lagging. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the main reason your PlayStation could be lagging is due to lack of storage. So in my case, I have a 500GB storage hard drive on my PlayStation, and that could be reason why if you've installed lots of games which are very high storage games, then that could consume a lot of space and eventually is going to result in lag. So what you might want to do is go ahead and select the settings option, and we will simply go ahead and select storage. As we go to storage, you can see system storage, it is calculating it. Now you could go ahead and delete any of the unnecessary ones. So you can see the applications and games consumes up to almost 250 gigabytes on my PlayStation hard drive, and you could basically delete any of the unnecessary games which you have. The next thing you can also do is to simply delete your capture gallery. If you don't really need the screenshots and the videos which you recorded during your gameplay, you could delete all of those that as well. You also have themes and the free space, but generally you want to keep in mind to at least free up some storage in order to make your PlayStation a little more smoother. The second thing we can do is we can simply check for updates. So go ahead and select system software update, and if your PlayStation has an update available, it is basically going to show up on the screen. So if it has an update, so in my case it is already up to date with the latest version, you want to make sure to update it to the latest version as well. Once you've updated it to the latest version, the last thing you can do is to simply reset your PlayStation. So go to settings again and scroll down to the bottom and then select initialization. Over here, select initialize PS4, and here you want to simply select full. Now this will completely wipe all of your data on your PlayStation, and you may need to sign into your PSN account again and install all of those games manually. And this is how you can fix lag. Hopefully one of these will have fixed the issue for you. We hope the video gave you some insights about the lagging on your PlayStation. We also hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.